sejahtera to my lecturer and all my friends. My name is Ahmad Irham bin Abdul Rahman. My matrix number is 01DAD21F2021.
My name is Izamuddin Amin bin Nasaruddin. My matric number is 01DAD21F2050. Differentiation. In mathematics, process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. In contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it, the practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulation, using three basic derivatives, four rules of operation, and a knowledge of how to manipulate function. Rule of differentiation. There are 5 types of differentiation. The first one is constant rule, power rule, product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. These are various applications of derivatives not only in math and real life, but also in other fields like science, engineering, physics, and etc. Differentiation can be used to calculate the rate of change of the ordering and transportation cost for the component used to manufacture a product, in which the cost is dependent on the other size. Differentiation is used in biology to evaluate the rate at which a bacteria population is growing, which can allow biologists to predict whether the population is growing fast and countermeasures should be taken to slow down the growth.
Okay, for first question that we got is y equal 2x power of 3 plus 9x power of 2 plus 3. For first step, we need to differentiate the question we got. Really like dy over dx equal. Okay, first, the way to differentiate this question is that we need to multiply by the power number that is in the question. Like 2 times 3 equal 6, and then we need to subtract one root of the power that is in this question number, and the root of this power will be 2, and then 9 plus 9 times 2 equal 18, and this power will be 1 because this number is not, and then 3 will be 0 because this power will this number has no x value, and then we get the answer like this: cx power of 2 plus 18x. For the step 2, we need to do a stationary point. Stationary point is dy over dx equal 0. Okay, for the step 3 is 6x power of 2 plus 18x equal 0. We get from this, we put like this. So we can do this. We can get the answer. Use calculator from mod EQN. After that, we can get this. We get this for x1 0, and then after that x2 is negative 3. And step 4, when x1 equals 0, for the step 4, we want to find y value. So when x1 is 0, then this y, we need to write the question back like y equal 2x power of 3 plus 9x power of 2 plus 3. So we write back and then so like this, we bracket this is x, so x at this is 0, so we put this power of 3 plus 9 bracket 0 power of 2 plus 3, and then y is equal 3. You can get 3, same like this. So we put, follow this to this, and then you got the d is x and d is y, same like this. Step 5, we need to do a second order differentiate. Dy over dx equal cx power of plus power of 2 plus 18x. So if we want to do a second order differentiate, we put the d power of 2y and then over dx power of 2 equal 12x plus 18, because from this is time 2 and then we got 12, and then this we minus 1, this x we minus 1, and then that we got that this 18x, we put the 18 because the x is no value now. And the step 6, at point bracket 0 and 3, this x, this y, so d power of y over dx power of 2 equal 12 bracket, and then this we put x 0 plus 18, so we got this. This is a minimum point. Minimum point on the graph will be like this, and the other side is at point negative 3 and 30 is, and we got the maximum point on the graph will be like this. Thank you. For the second question that we get is y equal negative 3x power of 3 plus 9x power of 2. So for the first step, we need to do differentiate the question we got. Really like dy over dx equal negative 9x power of 2 plus 18x. And then step 2, we got the we need to do the stationary point, like dy over dx equal 0. And step 3 is we need to find x value. So we write this on this and equal 0. To get the x value, we can do from the calculator on mod EQN. So degree 2. Yes, we can get from this to get the answer. And then step 4, we need to find y value. So when x equal to, so this we need to write the question back like y equal negative 3x power of 3 plus 9x power of 2. Okay, we write back the question and then put the x from this. X is 2, so we put like this. So we get the 12. Y is 12. On the other side, same like this. but the answer is 0. So we get 2 for x and 12 for y. On the other side, 0 for x and 0 for y. For the step 5, we need to do a second order differentiate. Dy over dx. We need to write this. So dy over dx equal negative 9x power of 2 plus 18x. So we write this d power of 2y over dx power of 2 equal negative 18x plus 18. We get this from this. 9 times 2 equal 18. So we get this. For the step C is at point for x2 and 12y, d over d power of 2y over dx power of 2 equal 18, and this we put x on the bracket. This is 2 plus 18. So we get this maximum point. So the maximum point is like this. So at the point on the side, we get x is 0 and y pun 0 and y 0. So we get the minimum point. So thank you.
My turn is summary. Number 1. The student will learn how to solve differentiative. Number 2. Student will learn how to ask all formula in differentiative question. Number 3. Student will learn how to ask the first and second derivative to analyze and sketch the graph of a function. Thank you.